I welcome everyone to the channel. I'm going to show you why I suspect, maintain, presume as to MicroStrategy breaking or could break $200 soon. You can already see off the chart that this stock is bullish, that the buyers are controlling the price, and that they're looking to move this market up towards our ultimate area of a sell zone. So let me break this all down to you. But first, welcome to my channel. This is what I do. It's real simple. It's real easy. If you guys want to learn, then I would suggest that you follow me. Hit the like button. Instead of it, also subscribe here for more of this simplistic and easy to understand content. Now, am I going to change my price prediction? No, I'm not going to change. I'm going to keep it exactly the same. Nothing's going to change in terms of my price prediction. I'm just simply going to show you why I think the market wants to run towards that sell zone of $200. Okay, so now first thing we're going to do is that we're going to get rid of these sell zones here because the buyers has eradicated, completely eliminated those sellers at those zones that we drew when we first did this price prediction. So we can get rid of this. We can also get rid of this sell zone. This is telling us that buyers are winning. When buyers break sell zones, they're winning. No doubts, no questions, no qualms, nothing to wonder, nothing to say, I wonder what's going on. If you see that happen, they're winning. So now, price in MicroStrategy currently is trying to break this sell zone, right? We can now see that. They're going to try to breach and break this sell zone. We got sellers up here. We got people who want to take the profit off the table. So as you can see over the last couple of trading days in MicroStrategy, look at this. What's been going on with the price action, right? What's been going on here? Wow. It's been getting hit with those sellers. The buyers so far has been unsuccessful at breaking this sell zone. Following September 27th, price went down. But then look what happened on October the 4th. We got another indication that these buyers are very formidable. They're determined. They strong-willed. They want to move this market up. Because if the sellers were really taking any massive wins, the market wouldn't have garnered that price bar there that the arrow is pointing to right now. It would not have been printed. But it is. Wow. Wow. And you got people trying to figure out where prices are going to go. If you just understand and break down these price bars into what it actually means, you begin to see behind the curtain what's going on. All right. So now look at this on a different time frame then. That's on the daily. Look at MicroStrategy on the week. All right. Look at this weekly bar right here. That's bullish. It came and parked right below that sell zone. It's kind of like the buyers pulling up and the sellers see them coming and they're like, all right, we're here. The buyers are like, all right, sellers, we're here. What you want to do? And then look at this weekly price bar. The seller's like, all right, cool. Let's hit it. It's time to pop off. Let me throw my sells at you. Let me show you what I got. And the buyer's like, all right, cool. We're ready. Show us what you got. And look at the conclusion of that weekly price bar right there. Where did the market close? It closed at the high of the bar. So the sellers didn't even put a dent in the buyers yet. Because if they did, we would have seen the market close at the low of this weekly price bar. But instead, they closed up there at the high. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Again, look at that. Does it look like the sellers are winning? Not on the 2 weeks neither. MicroStrategy on the 3. And this 1 weekly price bar right there alone gives you a massive indication that this stock is still bullish as to why we may see the market run up to $200. 5 weeks. Look at this. This is the final printed 5 weekly price bar right here. Look at that. This whole area here is revealing itself to be a place to where someone is buying. It's probably Michael Saylor and the board of directors at Microstrategy. They're like, look, we know what Bitcoin is, and we got a whole guap of Bitcoin in our treasury. We know price is going to go higher than where it is right now. Like, someone is massively confident that MicroStrategy is it, that is bullish. You can see it on the chart. I'm not giving you my opinion. We're looking at factual evidence, historical evidence as to why that is the case off of this chart. Because you know what? Charts, they don't lie. People cannot lie when it comes to money. When it comes to stocks, when it comes to purchasing and selling it, you can't take it back. You can't renege, because once it's recorded, it's there forever. You can't go back and revise, kind of like the economic reports that the Fed releases on the job reports. They can't go back and revise it like they do consistently on their reports. Nobody can go back and change these bars. Nobody. Because if that occurred, people wouldn't trust the market. And if you can't trust a supposedly transparent market, people won't put money behind it then. People won't purchase. People won't participate. So they need to ensure that what we have is true. Because if it wasn't true, then guess what they would do? Or guess what people would do? They would create another market and compete with these stock exchanges here. Pretty much like what Texas is trying to do. So, I'm done. I think MicroStrategy is still bullish. So I'm not going to change my price prediction. Instead, we are going to extend our price prediction higher. Okay. We're going to extend it up here towards this $200 area. Now, let's not be crazy. Let's not be ignorant. When you see yourself sitting in profit, take some off the table. We're at 20% right now because we still have this sell zone that these buyers hasn't eliminated yet. So there's still a chance. You always got to keep that out there, that the market, that the buyers won't be able to break that sell zone. So while you got it, while the getting is good, take some of that off the table. All right, that's it. I'm done. We'll leave it here. We'll come back and see precisely what has occurred into the market in MicroStrategy. See if we were right. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.